A few years back, he killed an Iranian on Iraqi soil. Then he wanted to pay a kickback to officials to look the other way. Some Iraqis considered him a hero. Others figured otherwise. A couple years after that, he killed another Iranian. That time he went to jail for murder. I helped put him there.
For murder? Then what is he doing out again?
Iraqi government let him go. Seems that killing an Iranian isn't much of a crime these days in the eyes of the Iraqi people.
And it doesn't really seem like there's much we can do about it, is there?
I can arrest him again. Get him off the streets.
You can't arbitrarily just walk up to somebody that hasn't done anything and arrest them.
Watch me.
You're not thinking of taking the law into your own hands, are you?